Let's talk about Linux Task versus Autohotkey versus TowerMate. Which automation software is better? Autohotkey primary focus is desktop automation, macro creation, keyboard and mouse scripting on Windows. Autohotkey is a free open source scripting language and utility primarily for Windows. It allows users to automate almost any task on their computer by scripting keyboard inputs, mouse clicks, and window manipulations. It's like giving your computer precise instructions to follow automatically for repetitive desktop actions. You write simple scripts that define actions based on triggers. For example, when I press Ctrl plus Shift E, type my full email address, or every 5 minutes, click this specific button in a window. This is commonly used for automating data entry in forms or spreadsheets on a desktop, creating custom keyword shortcuts or hotkeys for any application, automating repetitive clicks or actions in games or specific software interfaces, text expansion for frequently typed phrases. It's best for individual users or small teams needing to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks on their personal Windows personal computers. This is also best for users comfortable with basic scripting to customize their desktop workflow. For Linux Task, its primary focus is server automation, system administration, scripting, back-end processes management on Linux-like systems. It embodies the Unix philosophy of chaining small, powerful tools together to achieve complex automation. Think of it setting up scheduled jobs, managing server configurations, or automating data processing on a command line. To make this work, you primarily write shell scripts, Python scripts, or use built-in Linux utilities. These scripts are then executed manually or automatically scheduled using tools like cron or system timers. This is commonly used for scheduling daily backups of server data, automating software installation and updates on Linux servers, monitoring system performance and sending alerts, processing log files or running data analysis scripts periodically, automating deployment of web applications of Linux servers. This is best for system administrators, engineers, developers, and power users who work with Linux servers. Organizations needing robust custom back-end automation for their infrastructure. The primary focus of Power Automation is enterprise IT automation, configuration management, orchestration, cloud provisioning, and developers. This is a comprehensive enterprise-grade solution built on top of the open-source Ansible automation engine. It's designed to manage scale and secure IT automation across an entire organization, from servers and networks to cloud resources and applications. It aims to streamline complex IT operations with a user-friendly web interface. How it works? You define the desired state of your IT systems using simple, human-readable YAML files called playbooks. Ansible takes these playbooks and ensures your infrastructure is configured exactly as specified. It provides a centralized web-based dashboard for managing, scheduling, auditing, and providing role-based access control for all of your automation jobs. This is commonly used for automating server setup, patching, and configuration, deploying applications consistently across hundreds or thousands of servers, orchestrating complex IT workflows, and ensuring compliance across your entire infrastructure. This is best for IT operations teams, developer engineers, system administrators, cloud architects, and large enterprises. This is also best for organizations needing a scalable, secure, and auditable solution for automating complex IT processes.